Europe's weather in 2025? It didn't just knock, it kicked the door in. Headline: Heat went off the charts. From Spain to the Balkans, multiple cities logged strings of days above 40 degrees C, with hotspots peaking near 46 degrees. Nighttime offered almost no relief. Tropical nights stacked up, pushing heat stress way higher than people are used to. Headline: The Mediterranean ran hot. Sea surface temperatures hovered in the upper 20s, locally around 30 degrees C, feeding heavier downpours and turbocharging humidity. Warm water is like fuel for storms. More moisture in, more rain out. Headline: Floods broke once-in-a-lifetime math. Central and Eastern Europe saw storms unload a month's rain in less than 24 hours. Rivers jumped banks, urban drains backed up, and basements turned into swimming pools. In some regions, flood alerts hit levels not seen in decades. Headline: The Alpine Flip-Flop. A lean snowpack in parts of winter, then sudden thaws and rain-on-snow events drove flash flooding downstream. Glaciers kept shrinking, and high passes saw rockfall warnings spike during hot spells. Headline: Wind had receipts. A handful of intense windstorms ripped across the Atlantic corridor into northern Europe, dropping trees, shredding roofs, and grounding flights. Gusts over 120 km/h weren't rare with the strongest systems. Headline: Fire weather expanded its map. Prolonged dry spells in the Mediterranean rim and pockets of Eastern Europe primed vegetation. When winds picked up, fires spread fast, forcing evacuations and closing highways. Headline: Cities felt it the most. Heat islands cranked temps several degrees higher than nearby countryside. Transit slowed, power demand for cooling set new peaks, and asphalt literally softened. Headline: Agriculture took a hit, then a hit from the opposite direction. Early heat pushed blooms and harvest windows forward. Then hail and downpours smacked yields. In dry zones, irrigation demand climbed while reservoirs in some basins ran tight. Headline: Energy and travel didn't get a pass. Hydro in some regions dipped on low inflows. Wind production surged, then plunged with lulls. Grid operators danced a tightrope. Airports faced heat delays, mountain roads faced washouts, and rail lines slowed in storms. Headline: Costs stacked up. Insurance payouts and infrastructure repairs landed in the billions, with some countries eyeing multi-year rebuilds for flood defenses. So, what's the through line? Warmer baseline, juicier atmosphere, bigger swings. What actually helps? Heat shade trees, reflective roofs, cooling centers, early work hours. Flood, permeable streets, bigger storm drains, early alerts, don't drive through water.